Good morning. It's a fantastic weekend now whereby the long anticipated Senate bill to federally legalize marijuana has been released. Now we at Jiju would like to thank the people in the United States so very much. Now today I would like to share with you guys about the quartz banger. Now quartz banger is another variation of concentrate mill. Or compared with other kinds of materials, a quartz guarantees user faster heat up time and a superior flavor. Now, in order to provide a better dabbing experience, the quartz banger has evolved over the years, and many of the designs are both convenient to use and pleasing. And it's almost natural for us to choose bangers that matches our bubblers. Now, but before that, we need to take into consider the thickness of the size and see that fit. Now, naturally, a quartz banger is 2 mm thick, but some are made of 2 layers, which add to 4 mm. And also, the size of the quartz banger needs to fit with a water pipe or your dab rig. Now, at Jiju, we have offered various types of quartz bangers for our customers. Now, to choose that, let's talk about the Hurricane Bevel Top Quartz Banger. Let's look on the pictures over there. Now, this is the Quartz Bevel Hurricane Top Quartz Banger. This is a 10mm mill quartz banger from Jiju. It's a 15mm wide and features a bevel top, which offer a crispy surface for any style carb cap. Now, this to prevent it from sliding, so you can focus on your dabbing. So now this 40mm top bucket the size allows a huge slab, plus it gives you plenty room for quality inside the terpenes to work to work their magics in there. You put pearls in there. It's pretty deep, 40mm. Now this banger's turbine airflow intake to ensure all those tasty tips leave when you dab, and spin to maximize airflow for easy clearing while serving up amazing flavors. Take a look on that turbines. Now let's talk about a second vacuum banger here. Now the vacuum style tip banger will make sure that all your dabs are sucked up from the lower dish and sent up to the heated cylinder sections, where the air pressure from inhaling keeps the dabs moving around. Now these styles of banger is designed to be used with a terpene tab and peel set to ensure that none of your vapor is lost. And it's fully welded banger, 90 degrees. Now, which means it's more durable and heat resistant than a typical 2-part banger that is joined in a bucket. It's a pretty awesome bucket. Now, third opaque bottom quartz banger. Now the base of the color is opaque white and it's 3 mm thick. You see the thickness here. And everything is built with a top quality quartz. It's engineered for maximum efficiency and flavor. Now this banger has a 90-degree joint, similar as well in the previous one. And the bottom of the dish is crafted from machined opaque quartz, giving it a foggy or even a sandblasted look in the dish. The opaque nature of the design improves the terminal conductivity. And this type of banger heats up faster and stays hotter longer than standard clear quartz of the same dimension. And also it leaves less bubble. And fourthly, let's show you the color changing thermal quartz banger. And this thermal banger by Jiju, it features double layer, thick, 4 mm thick, with a small bucket inserted inside with a 21 mm outer diameter bucket. It's 21 mm. And this double wall constructions retains the heat well for more consistent vaporizations. And the unique part of this color changing banger nail is the visible light green sand-like material on the bottom of the nail here. Now when heated with a torch, these particles turn night glow effect, and then the green as the temperature rises. Now this makes it easy to know when your nail is at the right temperature for dabbing. Just heat up the nail until the particles turn glow, then allow the nail to cool as the particles change to a nice green glow. Now once you use this banger a few times, you'll learn the ideal color for your target temperature. Now let's check at the videos right now. Hey, welcome back. Now let's talk about the Angel Top quartz banger here. Now this is a best-selling quartz banger nail, deliver smooth, flavorful hits from your favorite dab rig. Now from top to bottom, this is a quality banger. A revolutionary white bottom banger has taken over the dab scene. This impressive 4 mm thickness, which allows you for a peace of mind, as the thick wall of the banger allows you to decrease the chance of any cracking or breakage during your sessions. Angel Top quartz banger. And we're gonna mention a thick bottom quartz banger. Now this quartz banger is available in multiple sizes and joints. You've got female and male, and for whatever the needs of your particular pieces maybe. So the main attraction of this banger is the incredibly thick bottom. And it's up to 12mm thickness. And on top of that, the bottom of the cup is flat base. So you can look at it over there, flat base. And apart from that, you can always check us out on website jiju.co. Now this pure quartz material offers a high resistance to heat, and it ensures that our product will perform well at all times. Now the groundless joint is another feature of this replacement piece. Now it's a 25mm in diameter and has a precise lab bevel on the top lid. Now that fits flawlessly with bubble cap and most other caps on the market right now. Well, let's talk about the thermal core quartz banger now. I can assure you guys we'll never touch off this hot banger on accident again, because the thermal banger has a color shifting quartz glass particles in the chamber that change from light to dark as your banger heats up. So when you touch your banger here, it's gonna glow and heats up. And when the color shifting quartz particles turn from bright yellow to a deep reddish orange, so you know the banger is extremely hot. So it takes trial and error, just like a new DAP setup, but it's a novel way to time your DAP for sure. Now once you get to use this banger, you can pretty much eyeball when the right temperature has been achieved by learning to recognize the shade of color that corresponds to your preferred dabbing temp. Now not only is it useful, but it's really cool too. And lastly, I'm going to show you guys this small little baby. It's called round bottom quartz nail. It's mill joint, 40mm. It's 14mm, sorry. Now, so this round bottom quartz nails, it's a pretty thick quartz banger with 4mm thickness. And have a male joint of 14mm joint round bottom nail. With a deep dish design, it's ideal for those who like to load large DAP. And the sheer flat tops provide a strong seal with almost any style of hard cap. It's a 90 degrees example, pretty much. Now the bottom of the cap is rounded out, which allows for more movement with your pulse, and becomes an instant favorite if you like to doing cold cuts. And a banger like this with no concerns means that your oil moves freely and vaporizes more efficiently, and it's quite easy to clean as well. The deep dish prevents oil from escaping your neck joint for larger DAPs. And again, you guys can use the same code Jiju Live for 15% off on jiju.co. Whenever you guys go in, check us out. Well, that's all, guys. I'll start from today onwards. We're gonna have like 2 sessions per week. So from Wednesday and Saturday. Well, we're gonna talk about all kinds of accessories, cannabis accessories, dabbing, and so on. So start from next week, every Wednesday and Saturday, same time. I'm gonna see you guys there. Remember to use the code JIJULIVE for 15% off. Please log in over jiju.co, and remember, subscribe us on YouTube channel. GGHQ, our YouTube channel. So see you guys next week, every Wednesday and Saturday. That's it. See you guys. Bye.